Hello guys. In this video I am going to show you how to build a villager breeder in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. This works in almost every version of Minecraft. Before starting this video, go subscribe to Solomon Tech. He is also an amazing YouTuber and has many interesting Minecraft videos. Let's get started. First we start by building a 3x3 chamber out of glass. Now we need to raise this chamber for 3 more layers. Totally it should be 4 blocks high. Now place a block 1 block above the ground, and place 2 trapdoors in the side of the block. Now, place 2 composters or any other workstation block like this. Bring 2 villagers, and put them in the hole that we have made. Now, make a small platform, and place how much ever bed you want. The more beds give more villagers. Finally, it looks like this. Now, place a bucket of water below the block where the villagers are standing. It's time to transport the villagers. We will use minecarts and rails to do it. Now, to actually breed villagers you need to go to the top and throw some bread at them. Once they have enough bread they start to breed. As you can see we have a baby already. Now, let's wait for some time.
A few moments later.
You will get 5 villagers from this breeder. To get more villagers, you need to move them 100 blocks away from the breeder itself. Now, to get him out of the breeder, we need to press the button. Now, to get him out of the breeder, we need to press the button. As you can see, we have many villagers in under 2 minutes. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Comment what farm do you want next, and leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.